I don't think I'll ever get sick of that. Oh my god. That is so loud. Before the video starts, I have no idea what video this is going in. I do want to say the Miata finally just is on the road. We got the plates. We're excited. I'm going to take it on its maiden voyage when we actually get to go out and just enjoy it and drive it around for a little bit. As you can see, it is absolutely filthy. There's just bird poop in there, stuff from the tree. But we're about to go take it out. The Veloster N's just chilling over there. It's a great time.
I drove on the road for the first time today.
Oh yeah, you just got done driving inside the Veloster, and you're doing really good with your driving.
Thank you. I'm trying really hard.
So yeah. Alright, not sure what video this is going in, but enjoy the rest of the video. What is up, guys? Look at that. The window works. What a novelty idea. But what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We are having a new modification coming in for the Jeep today. And I'm actually going to be selling some old tires that we had inside the garage that were for my fiance's like old Toyota Corolla. Can't believe someone wants them. So yeah, I'm going to meet the guy right now to go sell it. But yeah, turns out the package got delivered to my parents' house. So I'm going to go pick the package up for the Jeep mod, and we're going to be installing that today. So this is going to help just the interior of the Jeep. I don't know. The more and more I think about it, the more and more I really do like this thing, the more and more I just use it. So without further ado, let's head on off and let's do what we got to do. Alright guys, so I just sold the tires. I'm actually really happy that I sold it to the people. Yeah, that came off of, if you guys are OG followers of the channel, you remember like my fiance, she had the old 2002 Toyota Corolla. Yeah, I think it was the Corolla. Yeah, she had the Corolla. It was way back in the day. Yeah, I sold basically the tires off of that. Literally the people, they had the same exact car, like their tire, it just needed to be replaced. So I'm happy we were able to do that. That was a nice quick transaction. Stopping at the ATM right now. I'm gonna grab a little bit of cash. Man, it's so weird how everything is now. Like, it's still kind of weird that this is just the norm. Who knows how long this is gonna last. But I do want to show you guys how ridiculous it is trying to go to an ATM inside this lifted Jeep. Alright, just me pulling up to an ATM. I mean, actually this one's not that bad, honestly. Usually it's a lot worse, but look at my window works. I can actually use a drive-through ATM. What a novelty. So happy I did that. Got the package. We got the package. I think I'm gonna wait till I go home to install it. Cause yeah, I wanna get back home. But we will get back to you when we get back home. Guys, would you look at this? This is the most empty our driveway has ever been. Well, not ever, but at least in a really long time. This is the most empty our driveway has ever been. Okay guys, so we are back now. So I picked up the dash mat at my parents' house. I didn't install it yet, which obviously you guys can tell. I just said it's a dash mat. I ordered it from a company off of eBay. It took actually a while for it to get here, but the quality looks pretty nice. I did lay it out inside of the Jeep. I didn't like use the like adhesive to glue it down yet, because they said to like let it lay out for a while so it can flatten up, because when they ship it to you it's all rolled up. But yeah, so my car actually, the Challenger, is actually at a shop. When we traded in the Jeep Compass, we took out the remote start that was in there, so we're getting that installed inside my car, so I had to go pick that up. The fiance, she took the Jeep Grand Cherokee to work today, so that's the reason why the Jeep's not here. The reason why we just have these two cars here, and this is the most empty our driveway has looked in a very long time. But I'm really excited. I can't wait to go pick up the remote start, or pick up my car with the remote start, because that's a great feature to have. I love it. And yeah, so I can't wait to do that. We didn't put it in the Veloster because obviously it's a manual. Some under table shops, they will put a remote start inside of a manual, but typically speaking, you can't. Can't wait to do that, but I can't wait to show you guys what the dash mat looks like. I think this really makes the Jeep look a little bit better. Like inside, it's not the most grand thing in the world, but it's a nice little touch. But doing modifications here and there, they're trying to make it a little bit of a better daily, especially for the winter time. But the video I was just shooting, which I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow, is doing the front lip on the Miata. So I can see there goes the Miata Veloster N. The front lip is right there. I need to get my power drill to actually complete it, so I can't do that right now, which kind of sucks. I had everything out. I was going to film that video like right now, but I can't really do that, so I'm kind of stuck. But it's okay, because honestly I like filming videos kind of in order. I don't like to like do multiple things all at one time. But yeah, so that's pretty much happened. Oh yeah, and with the tires, I don't know if I even told you guys, I sold it to someone else who literally needed the tires. So honestly, I'm happy to I gave it to him for like $40 for like two brand new tires with the rim. They were just sitting in the garage. So yeah, not bad. All right, so as you can see, this is what it kind of looks like. It's not perfect. I think I'm gonna use some more adhesive things to kind of like keep it bolted down or like tied down. It's kind of moving around. Even with me just moving it, it seems like it's still not laying 100% flat. Granted, I think this was like, I got off of eBay. I don't know how much it was, maybe like 60 or 70 bucks, something like that. Like, it wasn't terribly expensive, but it's okay. Maybe pass on this option. I mean, it took it a while to get shipped out. The company said that they had to custom make them. I'm assuming it's from like whatever press that they're using, but it's just okay. But yeah, I think we're gonna go for a quick rip though in the Challenger, because I haven't really gotten a chance to drive it that much since my fiance's been using it to go to work, since she's still learning how to drive her car. I haven't really driven my Challenger that much. I only get a chance to really drive it on the weekends. So now that I have the remote start, we're gonna start this bad boy up. We're gonna take it out for a quick little rip and just enjoy it for the day, just for a little bit. But in the next video, you guys should be seeing the Miata. We are working on the Miata, which I'm going to be doing that today as well, so that's going to be filmed today, but that video will be the next video. You guys will see that we're doing some more stuff to the Miata. Fingers crossed that we get the paperwork so we can finally get that thing on the road, hopefully either today or early next week, like Tuesday. I don't think the mail runs because of the holiday, but we will see what happens though. So without further ado, let's start up the Challenger. Let's go on a quick little ride. I don't think I'll ever get sick of that. Oh my God. That is so loud. My neighbors probably hate me. So loud.